going to be taking out my braids and my mum is here to help. So we're going to be using this scissors and this wooden comb.
Yes, this is my second daughter. She's had this braid on for like 2 months now, or is it up to 2 months? Not really up to 2 months, almost 2 months. So we're gonna be taking this down. I'm gonna wash and do a deep treatment mask on her hair, and the deep treatment mask we're gonna be using is a DIY. You know, we can't do without saying thank you to all our wonderful subscribers. Thank you so much for your subscriptions. It means a lot to us. Thank you so much. Please continue to support our channel. And if you're watching us for the first time, you haven't clicked that subscribe button, please go on and hit that subscribe button here. Don't forget to hit that bell with it. It's very, very important. Click on that bell. That bell will notify you whenever we upload a new video. So it's very important for you to click that bell as well. So thank you so much and keep watching this video. Mommy, say keep watching.
Keep watching.
It's not peak watching. Say keep watching.
Keep watching.
You happy?
Yeah.
Good. So guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to be taking down her braids and then I'll wash her hair and then I'll do a deep treatment mask on her. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.
Was a farmer who had a cat, and Oscar was his name.
Went to C-A-R. She saw Ariel at the beach. She also had a mermaid tail on. They were building a sandcastle. Jasmine's puppy met Jasmine at the party. They played together and they were even on the stage. Jennifer had a really purple dress and she also went to the palace. The end.
How much is left? We're almost done. Your hair is so dirty. We're done and this is our hair. And as you can see, there's a knot at the end of our hair. So before washing it, I'm going to use coconut oil to detangle our hair. See, our hair is so dead. Coconut oil to detangle. Also going to serve as a pre-poo. So I'm just gonna take it bit by bit and just making sure that our hair is properly detangled. Did you see this knot, guys? Did you see? So I'm just gonna put coconut oil there like so. Okay guys, this step requires a lot of patience. Okay, you have to be 100% patient when doing this. So I'm just going to do this really gentle. So guys, you can decide to use any kind of oil of your choice, as long as you're not using castor oil. So at times we normally use the olive oil. Is either I use the olive oil or the coconut oil. Those are the two oils I like to use in detangling our hair. And this is also going to serve as a pre-poo. Hey guys, in case you're watching me and you don't know what pre-poo means, pre-poo is the kind of treatment you give to your hair prior to shampooing your hair. So as we're about to shampoo our hair, this is the treatment that I'm going to be giving to our hair. And this is going to soften our hair and make washing a lot more easier. And once I'm done, I will cover our hair up with anything whatsoever that can make it to circulate on our hair. I'll just leave her for like 10 minutes before I'm washing our hair. And right now we're just going to prepare the deep treatment mask.
So here we've got banana, egg, avocado, mayonnaise, conditioner, and honey. We're gonna blend them all in.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Guys, I just left the deep treatment mask on her hair while she have some fun in the bath. So guys, this is after 30 minutes. I'm going to rinse this out now.
Turn us to thousands. We